Hey guys, Badger here from B.T.E.C.H Solutions. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to move that over bloated OneDrive folder of yours to a new drive. Alright? Okay, let's do it. Alright, so firstly we click on OneDrive and then we go to settings. We click on unlink this PC, unlink the account. Okay, let it sign out. You can open up your PC and then go to your OneDrive location, which is usually C users, your username, and then you'll find OneDrive in there. Okay, so you can see there's my old OneDrive. We right click it, say cut, move it to its new location, paste it there, let it quickly move over. Mine's fairly big, around about 10 gigs. So I'm just letting that quickly move over and then we can relink it. And it's done. Now we open up OneDrive again. We say sign in, type in your email address, click on sign in. Okay, now type in your account password, click sign in again. Now at the bottom we just click on change location so we can tell it where our new folder is. So we just navigate to the new folder location that you specified or that you moved your drive to. Choose select folder, then choose use this folder, click on next. And then that is about it. Now we can just go through the normal setup. Just so it goes wada wada. We click on later and you can now open your OneDrive folder and you'll see that everything is already there. It's already synced. It's just going to be checking all the files. Okay guys, that's about it. Hope you liked the video. Hope it helped someone. Like if you did, dislike it if you didn't. And please remember to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.